This is going to be really short. It probably won't come as a surprise to most of you, but I play bolt action, and I'm pretty into bolt action. And a thing that a lot of people like with games like that is hit markers. The things the games usually provide are generally very underwhelming. And for something like bolt action, that's a line of sight, and everything has to be in scale, and just the immersion is a very big part of it. I'm sure a lot of people have made these, but I just want to show you how I make my own hit markers for destroyed vehicles. And here's an example of the end result. It's not the best, it's not the most convincing or most realistic way to do smoke and fire plumes. I wouldn't do this on a diorama, but for a cheap, fast, reasonable replacement for the awful things that come standard in game, it works out pretty well. As you can see here, I've put one, as you would in the game, on just a model head lying around. This is a 72nd scale. The game, I believe, Bolt Action is in 56 scale, but it's a similar concept. Usually I also like to have two separate kinds, this kind of plume that just sits there the whole game, and I usually have a big billowing one that I like to put on the turn the vehicle is destroyed, so it looks like the initial explosion, and then you replace it with the steady fire. But the ones I made for this video didn't come out very well, so I just cut them. Yeah, if you have the option to, I would advise you go with the T-lights. I'm sure you can find videos and things around online how to make those. I think they come out a lot nicer than trying to paint, but I don't have T-lights. I don't even know where to get T-lights right now, except for online, with the entire world shut down and everything being so terrible. But it's just something small that you can do to spice up your game. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.